Rhubarb. Hey, welcome back to Anxiety Kitchen. If you haven't been here before, I like to make things. That's it. That's the pitch. I like to make things. I have always wanted to make something with rhubarb. And I was with a friend of mine yesterday, and she was just like, oh yeah, we have rhubarb here, and just gave me a bunch. So I'm excited. So some of them are, you know, like the reddish whatever, and some of them are green. Apparently there's no difference taste-wise. They just look better. So anyways, being the basic bitch that I am, I'm gonna make a strawberry rhubarb situation. Yep, that's it. That's the episode. Strawberry rhubarb situation. Alexa, can you eat rhubarb raw?
Here's something I found on the web. According to reference.com, raw rhubarb is edible.
Oh. It's very sour. Okay. Moment of truth. Smells amazing. That's good. It's very like tart but sweet because there's a fuck ton of sugar in this, but Hey wifey, you want to try some crumble? It's really terrible. You're gonna hate it.
I hate it.
I'm sorry.
I'm gonna go eat this whole thing now.
It's okay. You can throw it in the trash.
My stomach is not a trash can. Don't say stuff like that.
It kind of is.
Yeah, you're right.
I was worried, but turns out. Anyways, that's it. That's all I got. If you have any ideas for future episodes, maybe I'll just start a weird fruit vegetable. Is rhubarb a fruit? Or is it a vegetable? Alexa, is rhubarb a fruit or a vegetable?
Rhubarb is a vegetable.
Weird vegetable desserts. Anyways, I hope you guys are having a good Pride Month. You're not. You're probably not. I'm not. the world is a dumpster fire, so let's make something delicious, I guess. But yeah, I will see you next Tuesday.